Prime Minister Modi has launched another attack at the Congress party and said that had the party been dissolved on the suggestion of Mahatma Gandhi, India would have been 5 decades ahead from what it is now. Addressing a public rally in Mumbai, he said that the previous government did not trust the capabilities of Indians and prime ministers with such mentality cannot develop India. Attacking the opposition further, he said that the Congress could not eradicate poverty despite promising it for 60 years. He took a jibe at the Grand Old Party and said that if the manifesto is implemented, then the country will become bankrupt. Listen in.
कमी उस सरकार में थी जिसने भारतीयों के सामर्थ्य पर भरोसा नहीं किया, विश्वास नहीं किया। और मैंने ऐसे ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री देखे हैं और मैं आप सबको कहूंगा, मुंबई वालों को, कि यूट्यूब पर जाकर के लाल किले से अब तक कौन प्रधानमंत्री क्या बोले हैं सारा अवेलेबल है। आप हैरान हो जाएंगे। एक वो भी वक्त था जब देश के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले से हम भारतीयों को आलसी कहकर पुकारते थे। जिन सरकारों की सोच ऐसी रही हो, वो देश को कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते। मैं आज पूरी गंभीरता से कह रहा हूं, आजादी के बाद गांधी जी की सलाह पर अगर कांग्रेस को भंग कर दिया गया होता तो आज भारत कम से कम 5 दशक आगे होता।
Prathamesh, my colleague, is joining us at this point in time from Mumbai. Prathamesh, the Prime Minister, mincing no words, clearly stating that the Congress party ruled India for 60 years, but those 60 years amounted for nothing.
Yeah, yesterday actually we saw how the power was being shown by both the NDA and INDIA alliance. As yesterday PM Modi also said that the few prime ministers before, like in past, those who were the prime ministers, they came forward from the red fort and they were doing their speech and they just said the people are lazy. And PM also stated that if they will be a prime minister of the country, this country will be 5 decades more forward than that. And now the development will be that will be more increased actually by before. As yesterday in Mumbai, both the parties had the power. In BKC, India Alliance had yesterday had a huge rally. Arvind Kejriwal, Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, and many more leaders of Congress as well as NCP Sharad Chandra Pawar and also Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray were present at the dais, and also on the other hand at the same time basically PM Modi has also addressed the Maharashtra and also Mumbai in Dadar Shivaji because on 20th of May, the Mumbaikars are going to vote. The elections are going to happen on 28th for total 13 seats in Maharashtra. So that is really important because Maharashtra is because in Maharashtra, Mumbai is the finance capital. And to get the finance capital, this is really important.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.